Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can deactivate Messenger. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Messenger app, log in with your account, and just go to the setting of the Messenger app. Once you're in the setting, just go all the way down until you find see more in account center. Just go over here, and from here just go to personal details. And you'll be having this account ownership and control option just below identity confirmations. Just go over here, and from here you'll be having option which says deactivation or deletion. Just go over here and now choose your account, and from here you can deactivate your account. Just press on continue and your account will be deactivated. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I will see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.